Hey guys, Dr. John here. Today we're going to be going over the elbow to hand front plank. So this is a great exercise that not only works specifically on your tricep strength, but it's a really good way to start to add in some dynamic challenge for your core stability if you've already been working on planks and things of that nature, as well as a nice exercise to work towards doing push-ups or improving your strength in push-ups. So let's get into it. So we're going to get into our plank position, which means from head to toe, I am in one line. I'm not sagging. I'm not bringing these hips up. I'm not looking up with my head. I'm not tucking underneath. I am in one line. I'm pressing through the floor to support myself, and I'm squeezing my core to make sure that I stay stable the entire time. From here then, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop down onto my left elbow, followed by my right elbow. And then I'm going to come back up with my left hand and then to my right hand. And that's it. We're just going to rinse and repeat. So when you go to either put one hand down, one elbow down, or press back up with the other hand, you're going to shift your weight just a little bit. So we don't want to be all over the place coming back and forth like this, and I'm throwing myself back and forth to try and get momentum. I want to make sure that I try and keep not only my line, but I'm going to try and keep myself as stable as possible. And there's going to be some back and forth movement. There has to. You have to shift your weight. But the key is that I'm not throwing myself up or down to try and complete the movement. But that is how you do the elbow to hand front plank.